Okay, I'm back with the clock face. I completed the numbers from 1 to 12, so I've edited each one of these. You might ask why do the circular array and then edit them all? Why not just type in the numbers individually? By doing a circular array, it puts them pretty well, roughly in position, but it also keeps the settings of the font size. Children who do this often, every time they put a new number, they change the font size or they stretch it, so it all ends up looking like a mess. Unless you want to make it look deliberately wonky, which is one way to do it, but for now we'll go with something which is symmetrical and looks quite professional. You can spend more time fixing the numbers and positions later. You don't have to do this all in order. You can go back and change these things afterwards. What we want to do now is add another array, but this time to show the seconds. Now we've basically got hours here, or minute. We haven't got anything that indicates minutes or seconds, so we need something to do that. An easy way to do it is to just take a line. So I click on line and then put my snap grid back on, because this is on the center line. I'm just going to draw a small line from my triangle coming down like that. Okay, now I select that line and then I go back to my transform button and I click on the transform and go back to rotate the selected objects, and then I'm going to change the angle of rotation. This time I want to do 60, so I'm going to have an angle of 6 because 660s are 360, and I'm going to repeat this time 59 times because I already have one. 59 plus 1 gives me 60, or 60 seconds, or 60 minutes. Okay, so it then says locate the center of rotation, so I click on the center and there we have it. It draws my minutes or seconds depending on which hand is moving. So now it's a good time to save it again. This time I'll save it as clock face number 4, and I'm also going to say seconds to remind me that this one has the seconds on